Yum, 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 yum. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, having your own business, fashion, hauls, wedding stuff, travel, dog mom stuff, right, Mr. Mush? And today I want to bring you guys along for a little like day in the life-ish kind of video. I haven't done one of these videos in so long on the channel. I figured why not just bring you guys along as Matt and I figure out we're gonna cook dinner. We bought a bunch of groceries today, so I figured why not bring you guys along for a little cook dinner with us at home vlog. My thoughts especially here are to encourage and inspire you guys to do more when it comes to cooking at home. Matt and I have gotten really, really good at limiting our spending when it comes to going out to eat, getting takeout. We honestly hardly spend money in that area anymore.
I would say that from
a budget standpoint, I'm like, I honestly could look at the numbers, but I did the budget. I do our budget every single week. And honestly, I would say probably, would you agree that probably since April, especially. Ooh, hold on. I will finish that thought. But first, Matt just made a creamy.
It's very creamy. A little bit of cream cheese and the cottage cheese.
Cream cheese?
Yeah, I just did a tablespoon of cream cheese.
Matt's getting,
Look how creamy
Matt's getting weird.
What do you mean? A lot of the recipes call for cream cheese.
Yeah. Well, okay,
Don't
Matt's
be a
getting
hater,
creative.
you know?
I shouldn't say weird, honestly. This is the entire point of the video. What I was saying is, since I feel like April, Matt and I have done a really good job. Matt feels like it's longer.
Generally, we've never been ones who eat out a ton, mostly because the options, in our opinion, aren't that great for
Yep.
what you get. Like, the value is just not there. Like, it's expensive to eat out.
Yep.
And we like to cook. As a result, we cook 90% of our
Exactly.
meals.
We cook a lot of our meals. We really hardly get takeout anymore. I would say that lately we've been averaging probably like $150 a month in takeout and like going out related things.
Ooh.
Whereas you think it's less than that?
A month, fair.
Right?
But
A
it's
month.
just, we rarely...
Per month, like,
We
because we
do that,
usually
like,
do
twice
a
a month.
date night, at least with like either Anya and JP, or like we'll go out and get like
No, you're right.
toasted or something. It's like, again, these are
It's
very
never full
coffees,
meals.
exactly, like very, very few and far between. So again, our averaging is probably about $150 a month for takeout, going out, coffees, that kind of stuff, which again, I think as a couple in their late 20s / early 30s, that's pretty low. And I'm curious, let me know if you guys do a good job at budgeting and stuff like that. I'm curious as to what you guys spend per week, if you're willing to share on takeout and stuff like that. But we do spend more on groceries. We probably spend on, again, on average on groceries, and again, this probably isn't that crazy, but we probably average about $110 a week. More, probably 150
Yeah.
per week on groceries. So we're definitely spending a lot more on groceries. But as someone with celiac, it can be really hard and limiting to find good restaurants that are trustworthy. I have my select few in Buffalo that we go to all the time, but we've just really leaned into cooking more and embracing that, and we've found that our budget really, and like our bank account really appreciates us doing that. So I wanted to take you guys along for a cook dinner with us at home night and inspire you to do the same. Last night's menu, we ended up having, what did you have? I had a veggie burger. You probably had leftover rice.
I did a veggie burger. I
Okay.
did it on top of rice with sweet potatoes and greens,
Yep.
and that was dinner. I meal prep every Sunday and cook just about the same things every week. 3 pounds of ground turkey,
Did you get sweet potatoes?
I did
No,
not.
we still have enough left over.
We still have some, yeah.
And then we have those red potatoes. Okay.
To do steaks.
Yeah, we have steak. We're gonna do steaks this week
Sirloins.
with potatoes. What I am gonna cook tonight is, and I feel like I've maybe mentioned this, I've definitely mentioned it on the channel. I don't think I've ever cooked it on the channel before. What Matt and I do if we have leftover zucchini in the fridge that's looking a little sus, which is exactly what we have, like especially the end of this, I'm like, ugh, gross. So I'm gonna chop up all this zucchini, get it air fried, and we're gonna make what we call green sauce. I'll take you along in the process. Let's get started. Okay, wait, you guys. Matt had the idea the other day. He was like, maybe I'll do a cooking episode for the vlog because Matt does do the majority of our cooking. He's a way better cook than me.
Not a bad cook.
I'm not a bad cook, no.
Sometimes there's discrepancies.
I thought that I was like a good cook, and
You are a good cook.
yeah, no, but I'm just saying. Then I
You
dated.
said I thought I was a good cook. You are.
No, and I am, but then I dated someone before Matt who was a good cook, and I was like, oh wow, this dude's a great cook. And then Matt, and I was like, oh shit, this guy's like an even better cook. And it just makes you then reevaluate your own cooking skills when you have experiences like that. So I'm an okay cook, but you're a really good cook.
No, you're a good cook.
So anyway, Matt, if you guys want, the main point of me saying all this shit is to say, do you guys want to see a cooking video from just Matt? Let me know in the comments.
And what would you want to see him cook?
And what do you want to see him cook? Exactly. Do you want to see Matt make? Matt's famous for a few different dishes in our house, but one of the most ones is pizza lately. Matt makes like the best gluten-free pizza. So let us know if you want to see that. But yeah, tonight we're making green sauce. So step one, take your zucchini, chop it up, chopped it into little quarters, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw some olive oil, salt and pepper, thank you, and get this air fried, and then we're gonna end up throwing it into the food processor.
At 400. The key with that is just you want it really well cooked. You know, I feel like I've done this on camera before.
That's what I'm like, I think maybe we have made it on camera before, but
Well, we're making it tonight.
we're making it tonight.
This is reality.
So the zucchini's in the air fryer, 400 degrees for like 6 or 7 minutes. You want it to just like cook up really well. And Matt now is working on we do garlic, oil.
A lot of garlic.
A lot of garlic, basil. Should I be chopping basil?
You don't need to chop it.
Oh, because you just throw it right in.
We can
Okay.
take it out.
I'll take out the basil and start getting some basil ready.
But I will toast the garlic with butter and olive oil and freshly squeezed lemon.
I'm like, I think we definitely have made this on.
Oh yeah.
I'll try and find the vlog and link it. If you already saw that one, also let me know in the comments. But yeah, you never film anything the same way when you do it again. So green sauce take 2. I'm gonna work on the basil. Green sauce as husband and wife.
Realistic Saturday, we made a dinner reservation and said, actually, it would be nice just to not do that.
Okay, so step 2 in green sauce. I guess Matt and I are simultaneously working on steps like 2 and 3 and stuff. Matt is dicing up some garlic right now, and he's
I'm not
gonna.
even dicing it, honestly.
Okay.
It's just to show people how easy it is. Smashing it with my hand, throwing it into a small saucepan, or sauce pot, I should say, to kind of release all that, I think it's called allicin.
I don't think it's called Allison.
Yeah, it is. It's ALACIN.
Okay.
It's this like enzyme, I think. Like it's what has all that good stuff that garlic can give you in terms of. You can be a hater all you want. I see you over there, but
We'll see.
it
I
releases
need to
it.
do a
So,
Google search.
This is has hot pan.
Perfect. I can see the garlic.
How do you get it close? There you go.
Amazing. Ooh, wow, that smells so good. That garlic smells good. I am using, some of these leaves are not the best, but I'm using this entire thing. The basil, I'm almost done here, just getting that all ready because we're also gonna use that for the sauce as well. And we've got the zucchini that is air frying right now, and that is almost done. Okay, so now we've got some onion in here too.
Yeah, so sweet onion, we add that in, and the garlic's pretty golden. Once the garlic gets golden, you can add them in at the same time, but I added in the onion, added in some more butter and olive oil, and then pretty tiny lemons. This one's really hard. I don't know if we'll get any juice out of it, but the juice of, depending on the size of your lemon, 1 to 3 lemons, because what you're gonna do is cook that and then put it in the food processor with the zucchini, which holds so much water.
Yep.
So kind of what's simmering on the stove is to really be the bulk of the flavor.
So this goes in to the food processor with the zucchini and the basil. So I'll show you when we're getting that all ready to go into this baby. You guys don't understand how good that smells. Got zucchini in there. Lots and lots of basil.
And then the last thing is, which I think is like where all the flavor comes from, besides the basil. And you want to get a close up.
Oh my god. That smells ridiculously good.
I added salt and pepper to this.
And then what we'll end up doing, I'm gonna open up a can now. We'll end up adding a can of white beans into it as well. And Matt started water for pasta because we usually serve this sauce over pasta. It's so good.
We're gonna serve it over pasta with arugula.
That sounds delicious.
Our zucchini, our basil, and on this side you can see the onion. And then we just go.
Green sauce is made. It's honestly like green, it's like paste. It's thick.
It's a...
We added some cheese to it as well. That's the only thing that we didn't really tell you guys.
Grated
yeah, it's
Parm
exactly.
relish.
It's like a...
For those interested.
It's like a puree. And then we'll add the beans, which are right there. Damn, look at it. Oh my god, it is so good. So good. I appreciate you getting every last drop.
Yeah, of course.
It's like one of my favorite dishes that Matt and I make. It's so easy. This is also such a good way to sneak in nutrition. Zucchini has a lot of good...
Vitamin A?
It has vitamin A, it has vitamin K, I think. I think it also has vitamin B. It's a sneaky, good for you veggie. And it's because it doesn't have a very strong taste itself. Like Matt said, it's so waterlogged. It's really easy to kind of add whatever flavors you want and turn it into whatever kind of flavor profile you're looking for. So this is the green sauce, and I'll keep you posted as to when we have pasta ready and we're like plating it and everything like that. So we have our bowls of pasta, green sauce, beans. Matt just grinded up some cheese. And we're gonna make our bowls. You know, I'm gonna make my bowl and then I'll show you, yeah, some Parmesan, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Oh my gosh. First bite impressions, it's so good. I need to throw it in the microwave to heat it up a little bit, but oh my god. It hits the spot every time. I didn't even put cheese on it yet, and look. How good does that look? Pasta is heated up. I'm gonna take some of this super fluffy Parmesan. It looks so good! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow. It's really good.
It's really good.
It's so good.
So earthy with the basil. And the zucchini.
But nice and bright because there's some lemon in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Really well balanced. You can't go wrong. Highly recommend. Oh no. Okay.
The best.
If you guys enjoyed this little make dinner with us on a Saturday night, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. We're gonna go eat, hang out, and enjoy the night. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. Wait, is that what?
Welcome back to my channel.
Or welcome if you're new. Okay.
I know it.
Oh, he's got a thumbnail.
Bending over.